The name of the dance is Beitia Naul, which means at my log house. The singer is Rita. A dance from 2013. Open, cross, first part. Open, cross, and up. Back, 2, step, rush, 1, 2, step, rush, 1, 2. Sharp is here, and we're going to the left with 3. We do 1, 2, 3. Turn left, right, left shoulder to the center. Back, 2, 3. And now we're still going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Transition. Step behind, step in front. Second part, we start with turn. Turn, cha-cha-cha, cross, and stay. We have to use our hand. We're by the sea, we're in the house close to the sea. We have the waves, so we do with our hands. Turn to the right, second part. Turn, cha-cha-cha, cross, and stay again. Turn, cha-cha-cha, cross, and stay. Still in the second part. Turn in 2 steps, right shoulder to the center. Back, 2, stay. Now with left. Sway, turn left, left, right, left. Or the second part from the turn. Actually we turn 3 times. Turn. Cha-cha-cha, or cross, and stay. Turn. Cha-cha-cha, cross, another turn. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, stay. Facing the center, finish the second part, finish facing the center, last part. Sway, sway, up. Back to cha-cha-cha and turn. Sway, sway, up. Back to cha-cha-cha, turn. To the center. 1, 2, up, back, 2, 3, open, and close. This is the whole dance. To end the dance, we do the first part, we do the dance twice. To end the dance, we do the first part